And you think of Shenzhen, you think of technology. Shenzhen is home of big worldwide known brands like DJI that makes drone, Oppo and Vivo, OnePlus, they all make phones. They also have very nice and awesome flagship stores here. So we're going to be visiting some of the flagship stores for these brands that are located all around Shenzhen in different districts. We are in the DJI store right now, checking all the cool devices they have here. DJI is a brand that was born here in Shenzhen, and they have a lot of different drones. Actually, I use this brand a lot, like the gimbal that I'm using right now to record this is Osmo 3. I also have the DJI Mavic Mini. I really want to purchase the Mavic Air 2, which is a little bit bigger. I'm just trying to save some money first. And if you help me here on YouTube to watch my videos, I can make more money and I can purchase it.
DJI is a world-leading manufacturer of commercial drones for aerial photography and videography. It also designs and manufactures camera gimbals, action cameras, camera stabilizers, flight platforms, and flight control systems.
Show you which one I want. So this is the Phantom 4. This one will be really awesome to have him fly around Shenzhen for all my trips. It's really cool. This is like only 12,000 RMB, which is around $1,800. So I don't think I can afford that right now. And I guess those are like for professional use. Those are not for like just taking everyday videos. So I think not that one. And this one is the little precious baby I really want. So they come like in a single, just a drone, and they have like a combo with some other accessories on the back. So this is the one I want to purchase, but it's a little bit like heavier, bigger than the one I have right now. I like the mini because it's very portable, so I can take it in my backpack everywhere I go. But this one is a little bit more heavier and bigger. The package is too heavy to carry everywhere.
DJI is the dominant market leader in the civilian drone industry, accounting for around 70% of the world's consumer drone market, with no other company accounting for more than 5%. Its camera drones technology is widely used in the music, television, and film industries. The camera's products have also been used by military and police forces.
On the third floor there is a technical service, customer service. So I was flying my drone. I have the DJI Mini, and I was flying outside, and when I landed the drone, it started beeping and gave me a message that one of the propellers was rotating too fast. So since I was here in the DJI store, I just brought it here so they can take a look and see what happened. So apparently I was flying one time my drone in one of the shopping mall, and I was landing it. It was landing too fast and I crashed against the tree, and apparently since then that's why it kept rotating too fast. But the thing is, this message, it shows up just sometimes, not all the time. But anyway, and I just brought the drone here so they can take a look and tell me what happened.
Headquartered in Shenzhen, widely considered China's Silicon Valley, They have grown from a single small office in 2016 to a global workforce. Their offices can now be found in the United States, Germany, the Netherlands, Japan, South Korea, Beijing, Shanghai, and Hong Kong.
I am right now in these kind of capsules where people come here to learn how to fly the drone. Nobody taught me how to do that. I learned by myself and watching some videos on YouTube. Anyway, I'm here in these capsules waiting for them to tell me my drone is okay and healthy and I can fly it again. So keep waiting here for them to return my drone and go.
Approximately 10 hours later.
They fixed my drone. The problem was one of the propeller was broken and they fixed it for free here and they gave me some additional extra propellers. I love DJI. Thank you. People will come here and learn using this control that is more professional. It's for the Phantom model, the DJI Phantom, and you can see they crash here the control a little bit. So I'll show you there's a huge difference between mine and this one. I use the Mavic Mini. So here you just attach your phone here in the bottom of the control, and basically you just have these two joysticks to move the drone around, and that is basically the only thing that you have in common, the power button, and this is the landing button here. But here you have more. Oh, this is for the gimbal here, and you have also here the gimbal, right? But you have other options here that I don't have, and I don't know what it is for. Taking pictures, it's way bigger than mine, and I'm assuming it has more options because mine is very simple, not many features. But you compare with this one, it's huge.
As a privately owned and operated company, DJI focuses on their own vision, supporting creative, commercial, and non-profit application of their technology. Today, DJI products are redefining industries. Professionals in filmmaking, agriculture, conservation, search and rescue, energy infrastructure, and video enthusiasts like me trust DJI to bring new perspective to our work. Folks, I'm gonna be wandering around nice and beautiful places here in China and documenting about it. I will also be Instagramming my day-to-day and my trips in this awesome country. Feel free to follow me and leave your comments and impression over there about life in China. I will leave the link to my account in the description down below. Remember to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell button so you don't miss any of my follow-up stories about what's going on in this part of the world. If you think there might be someone else interested in these kind of videos, please consider sharing. My name is Rafael, thanks for watching, and stay safe until next time.